Man, they got a lot done.
Yeah, it's getting there.
Well, today I think we're gonna be doing the seat and the belts.
Works for me.
So we got the Butler built seat. It's full containment. I think we're gonna use it as a dummy seat
Yeah.
Yes.
till,
Because
okay.
it's going to be whoever gets the car
Yep.
is going to get a hold of Butler and they're going to make a custom seat for him.
Well, let's grab it, we'll get it in.
Don't try to sit down.
So yeah, let's go ahead and do the seat belts. We'll get those in, we'll come back to the spacers and finish bolting in the seat. These are the impact ratchet belts. So you basically stick a 1/4 inch ratchet right in the end and ratchet it down until it's as tight as you want.
So you can't
As
breathe.
long as you still breathe. Well,
So you can't breathe.
till you can't breathe, yeah.
Like I said, everything you do on these seats, you want it to make sure that a bolt can't pull through.
So yeah, so that should stay loose because it allows it to rotate. So I take it we're wrapping these around the gussets on the frame?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm going to grab that.
Got it. Just roll it up into a ball, slide it through, and zippy zippy. I mean, we'll probably have excess on every belt, so we'll want to do this on every belt, I'm assuming.
Yes, you do.
Sweet, so that's in. Lap belt's in, sub belt's in. We just got the shoulder belts.
And then you always want to make sure your belt goes over the highest tube of your shoulders pretty much.
Right.
All right, so we've got the 2-inch shoulder belts. They fit the Hans devices better, go over the shoulders. The Hans also has them. You can use 3-inch belts, but it's a little more comfortable to use 2-inch belts.
There's going to be a 2-inch that's all the way through the whole shoulder belt. Or there's the 3-inch that goes to a 2-inch.
We'll get the seat bolted in. I think all we've got left is to get the spacers in the back and tighten the bottom bolts down. Are you pushing?
Yeah?
You sure?
No.
Okay.
Everything
Check
out.
that other one then, before this thing moves. So we'll drill one of them.
Who wants to set in there first?
Yeah.
No,
No?
I'll hold it.
Chicken.
You're right.
Who's going to give me a charged battery?
Hang on.
All right.
There you go. We'll leave the U-brackets off because the new seat, whenever they get it, will come with them. So they'll have to do that, but that's not too bad. We got the right length bolts, grade 8s, just because they need to be a little longer for the seat.
It's really sad when this is taking longer and then you really have to fit one.
Filming it always ends up taking 3 hours to do a 20-minute job. And
Right here, guys.
We'll get the seat upholstery in and then that should do it for today.
It's in there.
So we'll want to pass the belts through the side openings there.
So that one will go through.
So I got the other lap belt through and then we'll just
Sub belt.
need the sub belt
So
there.
that'll go through.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. I think that's a wrap, guys. We got the seat in, we got the belts in. Everything's all bolted in tight. So I think we're good for today. Thanks for your help.